Hello everyone, Jake Lane back for a comparison video. You asked for it, and I'm giving it to you. Ghost Citrus versus Girl of Mine Citrus Rain. You guys want these compared, I know it. I'm doing you guys, well, you guys commented on my video, and, well, not video, post about both flavors, citrus and citrus rain, and this is the video for you. You guys know the nutritional facts, but caffeine content, both of them has 200 milligrams of caffeine. Yeah, I know, to you guys that's a lot. But they both also have 100% vitamin C, which is, I think 60 or 80 milligrams. No, 90 milligrams. Which basically helps the immune system. So let's get down to it. First, we're gonna try out the Ghost Citrus. Not many people compared the two, however. On YouTube, if you're not seeing any comparison videos for Ghost Citrus and Girl of Mine Citrus Rain, this video is for you, as I said. You are getting a citrus out of this, but what about Girl of Mine? You guys know I already reviewed the two, but can they be compared to each other? That's the main question. Can they be compared? Okay, the answer is simple. The answer is yes, they can. Because I just tried the Girl of Mine, but the one that's lighter is Ghost Citrus. Girl of Mine Citrus Rain is basically stronger than Ghost Citrus. So which one's better than the other? Well, for starters, which one would you want to go for? Girl of Mine or Ghost? Strong and or light. If you choose light, then yeah, your go-to would be Ghost Citrus. If you choose strong, Girl of Mine, Citrus Rain. So, out of the two, which one's the best one? Well, the best one out of this one, due to the light and strong. Remember, it's light versus strong. Yep. I would say Ghost Citrus wins this one by a knockoff because of that light feel to that citrus. Girl of Mine, out of the ballpark. So, technically, Ghost wins this one on Citrus Rain. I mean, against Citrus Rain. Because you don't want a strong, overly powered citrus flavor. You want a light citrus flavor. Remember, Mountain Dew is a light soda on that citrus, the original. Ghost Citrus is the same as original Mountain Dew citrus. So you get a Mountain Dew feel out of it. It all makes sense. Yeah, I know you guys think I'm mad about this, but I'm not. They're just energy drinks, you know. I'm just telling you guys as it is.
Yes, it's Saturday.
So, which one's your go-to? That's another question to ask yourselves. Girl of Mine, Citrus Rain, or Ghost Citrus? Well, to be fair, since Citrus Rain's the winner, Citrus is the winner, go-to would be Ghost Citrus. Again, Girl of Mine, out of the ballpark. So, technically speaking, Citrus Rain lost to Ghost, in my opinion. Tomorrow, we are gonna go for, well, not tomorrow, but Saturday, we are gonna go Monday, we are gonna go for Girl of Mine Rainbow Sherbet. Got these. Went to GNC for Ghost and Girl of Mind. Yeah, I know. You guys, Ghost should go for a rainbow sherbet. They never did, though. However, still, wish they would. I think Ghost needs to play catch up on Rainbow Sherbet. So you guys are correct. Well, until Monday's video, MJ Climbs out. Peace out. See you in the next video. Later, everyone.